everyone, I'm Monica Ortega, creator and marketer of experiences here at Southwest Adventure Tours. We specialize in small group tours around the Western United States, but we do so much more than that. Want a day trip around Salt Lake City? We can do that. Need a custom private, guided, or self-drive tour proposal for your clients? We've got you. Want to take 100 of your closest friends on their dream trip? We can do that as well. But in this video, we're going to be featuring some of our most popular scheduled departure tours. So let's get it started. Adventure awaits. To kick things off, we have our signature tour, Mighty 5 Utah. This tour departs from both Salt Lake City and Las Vegas and features Utah's famous national parks, Zion, Bryce, Canyonlands, Arches, and Capitol Reef. Enjoy this 5 or 8 day tour showcasing the best of southern Utah. Next up, we have the 8-day Yellowstone and Grand Teton Explorer. This incredible tour takes guests through 2 of America's most iconic national parks, from mountains and geysers to wildlife and waterfalls. This tour truly showcases the best of the West. And in the winter, we offer a Yellowstone and Grand Teton winter adventure, as well as the Jackson Snowmobile Adventure Tour. The National Parks of Colorado Tour will take guests on an 8-day journey from deep gorges to 14,000-foot mountain peaks, historic ruins to whitewater adventures, and the tallest sand dunes in America. Every day of this tour offers exciting new scenery throughout the Rocky Mountain State. The Grand Circle is a region that makes up Arizona, Nevada, Utah, Colorado, and New Mexico. This tour spends 12 magical days exploring cascading petrified sand dunes, vibrant pine forests, and sunset red deserts in 7 national parks throughout the Southwest. The tour begins in Las Vegas and kicks off with Zion National Park. From here, the tour makes its way to the Grand Canyon before traveling to Lake Powell and Antelope Canyon. After arriving in Colorado, on day 7, guests will board a steam engine train and enjoy the historic Durango and Silverton Railroad through the San Juan Mountains. From here, the tour continues back into Utah to Arches National Park and Canyonlands and ends in Capitol Reef and Bryce Canyon National Park. This extended tour hits some of the best the U.S. has to offer. When we say Western United States, we mean all the way to the west. Our magnificent Alaska trip is one of our most popular tours. This 10-day tour to the last frontier will get people up close and personal to some of the most epic wildlife, as well as stunning vistas in every direction. Jump on a float plane to Katmai National Park and watch the grizzly bears feed. Kayak at Resurrection Bay, or take a helicopter ride to a glacier. Alaska and adventure go hand in hand. And if you're looking for an even more bucket list trip, check out our Northern Lights Alaska tour. Our Yosemite, Sequoia, and California Coast Tour is an 8-day adventure full of grandeur. The tour begins in San Francisco before heading to Yosemite National Park. This iconic park is full of towering waterfalls, glacier lakes, and incredible views. From here, the tour continues into Sequoia and Kings Canyon National Parks. Standing amongst the giant sequoia trees is an experience unlike any other. Afterwards, take the famous Pacific Coast Highway along the Pacific Ocean up to Monterey before heading back to San Francisco. Next up is our Glacier National Park Tour. This 7-day tour across Big Sky Country will help you see why this is known as the crown of the continent. From the many glacier lakes to some beautiful hikes to the Going to the Sun Road, this tour will leave guests in awe. Most people know the Black Hills of South Dakota for one thing, Mount Rushmore National Monument. But this region has so much more to offer. Learn about Crazy Horse National Monument, ride the Black Hills Central Railroad, and visit Badlands National Park on this 6-day tour. On day 4, head to Devil's Tower National Monument and take a trip to the Wild West in Deadwood. Finish your trip at Wind Cave National Park and Custer State Park before flying out of Rapid City. For those looking for a more hiking-heavy tour, Canyons of the Escalante has treks between 5 to 10 miles a day. The best way to experience these slot canyons is by foot. This 7-day tour will take guests through some of Utah's most unique landscapes. Up next is our Oregon South Tour. Explore the western half of this beautiful state, from the stunning coastline to the rugged interior. Oregon offers a huge variety of landscapes to enjoy on this 7-day tour. Come explore thousands of years of culture and history on our 9-day Trail of the Ancients tour. Experience a large collection of ruins and ancient cities as we travel through New Mexico, Utah, and Colorado. Colorado has one of the largest collections of historic railroads, and our 6-day Railroads of the Old West tour is a great way to experience them. From the steam-engined Durango and Silverton Railroad through the San Juan Mountains, to the world's highest cog railroad up Pikes Peak, this is one of the most scenic ways to travel through Colorado. Up next is our Albuquerque Balloon Fiesta. This tour runs for 2 weeks only in the month of October, and on this 6-day tour, you'll not only attend the Albuquerque International Balloon Fiesta, but also immerse yourself in the Puebloan cultures of New Mexico. Our final tour that we're featuring is our Arizona Adventure Tour. This 8-day tour will take guests from a natural wonder to historic towns to red rock beauty. Starting and ending in Las Vegas, you'll leave the glitz and glamour for one incredible adventure. And as I mentioned, a couple of other ways to work with Southwest Adventure Tours are that we create custom, private, guided, or self-drive tours and fit itineraries, large group tours, and day tours, to name just a few of the ways that we can work together. Check out our website and reach out to us to learn more. Adventure awaits!